Today, we will talk about how to kill dollarweed. Let's have a look at the details. Is dollarweed getting in the way of you enjoying your beautiful lawn? This weed is a common one, and if you don't address it soon, it can end up getting out of hand pretty fast. Luckily, there are plenty of ways to kill this fiendish weed, and we're here to show you the best ones. Boiling water. Use boiling water as a quick and easy weed killer. Simply boil a pot or kettle of water. Then pour it slowly over the dollarweed. The heat will damage the weed and eventually kill it. You can repeat this process if the dollarweed isn't dead after one application. Vinegar. Vinegar is an inexpensive solution to killing dollarweed. Put white vinegar in a spray bottle and hand spray the dollarweed for a few days in a row. It should die relatively quickly. You can use vinegar in any concentration, from 5% white vinegar to 20% horticultural vinegar. Hand pulling. Hand pulling is the simplest way to keep dollarweed under control, although it may be difficult to do if your lawn is totally overrun with dollarweed. By taking the time to regularly pull out any dollarweed you see by hand, you can maintain the look of your lawn without using any harsh chemicals. Flame weeding. Try flame weeding for an organic solution to get rid of lots of dollarweed. Flame weeders use propane to deplete the carbohydrate reserves of weeds and kill them. Quickly pass the flame weeder over the weeds, just enough to wilt them. Reducing watering. Taking a break from watering your lawn can kill off dollarweed. This weed loves water and needs a lot of it to thrive, while the grass in your lawn is likely more durable. Improving lawn drainage. Fixing any drainage problems can keep dollarweed away for good. If dollarweed is springing up in your lawn, this usually means that your lawn is trapping too much moisture. Try aerating or top dressing your yard to improve its drainage. Regular mowing. Mowing your lawn keeps it healthy and weed-free. By regularly mowing your lawn, you encourage the growth of grass that can crowd out the dollarweed. For most lawn types, a height of around 2 inches or 5 centimeters is ideal. To maintain this length, most lawns will require weekly mowing. Mulch. Mulch can suffocate any dollarweed underneath it. Lay some newspaper or cardboard over the dollarweed, then place wood chips or tree bark mulch over it. You can use this mulch for new plants while stifling the dollarweed underneath it. Mulch is an excellent and organic solution for getting rid of weeds. Weed and feed. Weed and feed gets rid of dollarweed while fertilizing the rest of your lawn. In spring, apply a weed and feed to your lawn using a spreader. Choose an option with atrazine, which is particularly effective against dollarweed. Follow the instructions on your product packaging to make sure you're using it correctly. Herbicide. If nothing else works, spot treat the weed with a commercial herbicide. Although harsh chemicals can damage ecosystems, in certain cases, there may be no other option. Follow the instructions on your product's packaging, and only spray the dollarweed with the chemicals to limit the rest of your lawn's exposure. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.